What's up everyone, welcome to Mimi's World, a channel that provides DIYs, art and more. I'm Mimi and today I finally did my most requested video from you guys, the eyelash case. In the past I already did a similar video to this one, the magnetic makeup palette. In case you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put the links down below. But in that video I very shortly showed this palette. And I have gotten so many requests, so here it is. I hope you enjoy. Bye! So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. In the previous video I read of course all of your comments, and there were few of you guys who had a hard time to follow the video. I put a lot of thoughts in this one to make the steps easier to follow. I hope this worked out. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment down below. You can find all the products I have used in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye! I'm Mimi, and today I'm gonna show you the makeup, the eyelash case. What am I talking about? That's a Sammy boy. Ja, ich hatte so ein Diploma, Bachelor, Master, irgendwo. Mir egal, Lösung schreibt. Mache YouTube-Video. Please work. If there's any more questions or suggestions, questions, that is so falsch. Mimi auch. And if of course, yeah. Eyelash case.
Eyelash case.
I made an eyelash case.